So both cars are bone stock. The Z06 has the 7-speed manual and the Hellcat has the 8-speed auto. You may be saying to yourself, well, an automatic Z06 is faster, but that's not the case in the half-mile race. And you probably already know the specs, so let's just get on with it. The Z06 said he had a bad 1-2 shift, so we'll do a rematch. I was hoping to do a best 2 out of 3, but I couldn't find the Z06 owner after that last run. Oh well, let's go talk about what happened. Okay, so we know that in the first run, the Z06 shifted poorly, but in the second run, it looks like he might have gotten a slight jump at the start. Either way, that was probably the worst run of the day for me. I barely hit 154 miles per hour. I don't know if you could tell, but I might have tapped the limiter once or twice there. Now, even though that there's no clear winner here, I still give the edge to the Corvette. But let's take a look at those numbers. We already know that from a roll, assuming equal drivers, the Z06 would take the cake. Because in my testing, we found that the 40 to 100 and 60 to 130 was a few tenths of a second faster. But in a half-mile event, that's a different story. The Hellcat consistently trapped at 155 to 156 miles per hour, while the Z06 did 150 to 152, which leads me to believe that the Hellcat would pull on the Z06 at higher speeds. Now, I think the biggest advantage here is traction. The Z06 has 335 wide rear tires, and it looks like it was able to hook pretty well off the line. On the other hand, the Hellcat has 275 wide rear tires, and I was spinning all the way up to around 40 or 50 miles per hour. A wide-body Hellcat might have better luck from a dig, but I still think that if the Hellcat can get the jump on the Z06, or if the Z06 needs the driver mod, it stands a chance to win in a roll. Anyway, you guys are all adults here. You can draw your own conclusions based on the information I provided. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'd love to hear your comments below. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button for new car content every Thursday. See you in the next one.